These ground beef empanadas are so good. They're crispy, cheesy, super flavorful. I like to serve them with lots of hot sauce. And yeah, they're so good. Let's make them. The first thing I did was brown the ground beef. It took about 5 to 6 minutes over high heat. I then added the onions and peppers, cooked for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I added some garlic, cooked for about a minute. This part is optional, but I love adding some vino seco. That's just dry white wine. You can use regular wine, whatever you have on hand, and some sazon, of course. And I like to do some cumin, oregano, garlic powder. You can season this to taste. Some bay leaves, salt and pepper, a little splash of water. And then I cook this. Oh, can't forget the capers. You can use olives. I cooked it for 15 minutes over low heat, and then I added some mozzarella cheese straight to the beef mixture. And then I let it cool for a little bit before I added it to the empanada discs, because you don't want them to tear with the heat from the beef. And I added more cheese. I folded it like so. I used a fork to seal them. Make sure to seal them really tightly. Fry them in vegetable or canola oil. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. I fried them for 3 minutes on each side, and that was pretty much it. I want to show you the ones that I made with fried plantains. They were so good. I got that idea from a restaurant I visited. It was so good. If you like raisins in your empanadas, you're gonna love fried plantain chunks in it. So good. Enjoy.